Hello everybody and welcome back to another manufactured home tour. This is the Cavalier and this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. This home is 1,456 square feet and yeah, it's a really nice home and we're going to take a look at it today. So this is the exterior of the home. And it's actually it's a nice size, but I love the exterior. It's simple, but it just looks really modern, sturdy, all the good stuff. And you guys really like these modular homes. I love that. That just shows that I have a smart audience. And with that being said, I'm also interested in them because, I mean, the way things are going, you never know. And these homes, they're honestly perfect. When you don't need much more, you just need enough space. You want to have something good to look at. Here we go. We're walking in. This is perfect. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. This is how it looks when we first walk in. And I love the tall ceilings. That really opens up that space. That's the first thing that I noticed. Before I started recording, like, I had not been in here yet, right? So it was the first time for us both looking at this home. So I pressed record, got the exterior, then we were walking in together. And I was really taken back. It looks big on the outside, but it was just huge walking in. When I walked in, I was not expecting that. And like you guys can see, they are finishing up some little last minute touches. So you'll see little stuff on the floor. That was kind of a similarity that most of the homes here at this lot have had. Don't know why they kept that. I think that's not a great selling point, but you know, if you can look past it and see everything so beautiful, look at this right here. This is just it's so nice. It's so cute and like rustic-y. Rustic-y, is that a word? You know what I'm trying to say, rustic. And this is a double wide. As you guys can see. But oh, and then there's 2 patio sliding back doors, so in case you want to do like a really nice big patio, check out the website, subscribe to the channel if you love home tours, like the video. But yeah, the patio doors, 2 of them, that's so nice. So when you build your big patio, your big, you know, outdoor deck, you got 2 doors right there that just opens up to that whole little space. That would be so cool. Yeah, it really would. Okay, so check out this closet up front. There's stuff in there. Ignore that too. But you can see, you know, there's obviously space to fit stuff. Laundry room. Decent size. I love doing these modular home tours. These are fun. These are just as fun as doing like the big, you know, huge 5 bedroom 2,500 square feet homes, honestly, because this feels more, it feels like a honestly, you know what it feels like? A big tree house. Like, it feels fun, but it's like an actual home. You know what I'm saying? Because you can build these anywhere. This can be a vacation home. This can literally be moved wherever you'd like it to be moved, depending on which manufacturer you go with. You know what I'm saying? But it just feels so much more cool. You know what I mean? There's like a cool vibe. Whereas the other homes, it's giving like a luxury kind of vibe, which is nice. It's fun to look at and stuff like that. But I don't know. These are kind of more fun. if you ask me. Decent sized bedrooms. Carpet in the bedrooms. I like that generally. I like that. I don't know about these. Kind of think it'd be crazy. It'd be like super crazy freaking cool if they did laminate in these types of homes. I don't know why. But oh well. Here's the master. Do you guys love this master decor? Let me know in the comments. Do you guys love this master bedroom decor? How you liking it? Psych. That quilt looks like it's really nice. It's really nice and cute. Okay, here we are in the master bathroom. And it is a decent space. You got a window so that you can look out the window when you're doing what you gotta do, whenever you gotta do it. Let in some nice light, crack it open if needed. You don't have a tub in this bathroom. It's just a shower, but it's a pretty nice size shower, and you got some storage in there too. And here's the quilt. All right, so that pretty much completes this home. Really nice, really spacious. Oh, the front is decorated so cute. Why would they not do a little extra something in the bedroom? I don't know. But anyway, check out the website, like the video, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next episode.